What's up, my name is TechNumber here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the GPU driver version error that you could be getting when you're trying to play Warzone 2.0. Now, while this video is pretty much going to show you how to update your graphics drivers, which is the fix, I'll help you find out whether you have an Intel, AMD, or Nvidia graphics card, as well as how to update them. So everything will be covered here. Very simple. First of all, we need to find out what kind of graphics card we have. Simply hit start and type in info. We'll be opening system information. Now, inside of here, expand components and click display. Now, over here, you'll see name followed by your graphics card. Mine's an Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, so I'll be updating my Nvidia graphics drivers for this card here, a 3080 Ti. Let's start with that, then we'll get to AMD and eventually Intel. AMD does have a useful fix, which I'll cover in just a moment if updating normally doesn't help. If you have software like Nvidia GeForce Experience, you can update your graphics driver directly through there. If you don't, in the description you'll find the download links. For Nvidia, we'll start by clicking the first link, selecting GeForce or whatever you have, then the product series. In my case, a 3080 Ti falls under the 30 series. I'll select 3080 Ti from the dropdown, my Windows version, in this case 11, and I'll select Game Ready Driver, then Search, then Download, and I'll install the file that's downloading to my PC after I click Download here. Pretty simple. Click through it and follow through with the installation steps as you would any other driver. Now, for AMD or Radeon drivers, you'll find another link in the description down below. This one's similar. You'll need to follow through by clicking Graphics, then selecting the correct series. For this, I'll select maybe R9, then I'll select the R9 Fury, and I'll select R9 Fury X, for example. I've navigated from Graphics to the series, to the little sub-series, all the way down to my graphics card. Here I can click Submit, and just like that, I'll be given a bunch of downloads. I'll expand Windows 10, even though I have Windows 11, as Windows 10 will work for Windows 11. The drivers are exactly the same. When I've expanded the correct version, you'll be able to see AMD Software Adrenaline Edition. This is essentially the most up-to-date version that should work with your game and give you the best possible performance. Click Download here and click on the installer when it's done downloading. However, if that doesn't help you, you can try downloading the Pro software for Enterprise. It's exactly the same, except it doesn't include Adrenaline. At least this does help you fix the issue if you keep getting this error on AMD, even though you've updated. Download this, and hopefully things should work properly. What about Intel? Well, you'll find this download link in the description down below. All we need to do is select Graphics, and you should see a bunch of downloads here. We have Intel Graphics for Windows, and we have Intel Arc Graphics. The DCH driver is for Windows. Don't worry about that. It basically means the Windows Store version. That's the latest one that they're going with. You'll also find beta versions as well. And down here, similar to AMD's, we have a Pro option here as well. This will download a slightly older version that may be more compatible with the game. That's really about it. Simply click whatever you want. I'll select Arc Graphics for Windows, for example, and I'll click the EXE here rather than the zip. Click on the EXE when it's done downloading to install the drivers, and beyond that point, everything's up to date. You can restart your PC if you want and fire up the game where the error should now be gone. Super simple. So thank you all for watching. Mine has been TechNumber here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.